Next, I told right. Few years before, almost around 1993, 1994, I hope. 1993, 1994. How many years before? More than, 30 years around. I got the prize in elocution. Okay. That day in the newspaper, my name, so and so school, this person got. Believe me, that newspaper, even today also with me, 34, 35 years before. Hey, why that newspaper is there with me? Because in that newspaper that day, my name is there. Have you observed, right? The name, how much important. In the villages especially, in the villages, if your name came in the newspaper, it's a big news, sir. It's a big news in the newspapers, in that village. Okay, like something like a small achievement kind of thing that people are going to feel. The name is that much important. Okay, for any person in the world, the sweetest word for that person is always is a name. That's why wherever you are going, to whoever you are going to meet, compulsory know their name and call by their name. Okay, call, pronounce, talk, discuss by mentioning his name, so that opposite person is always going to feel more comfortable. Remember this one, opposite person is always going to feel more comfortable, okay, to communicate with you. Opposite person is going to likes you if you are going to use this type of technique. That's why wherever I go, first question I will ask is, Anna, what's your name? First question I will ask, Anna, what's your name? Like, then that person is going to use, Anna, my name is so and so. Then immediately, I'm always going to pronounce by spell out his name only. The remaining people are going to feel, hey, these two persons are best of friends, it seems. Okay, like, suppose I told right, Indira Park, just beside there is a Emerald sweet shop is there, like. Whenever we went there, we saw a person named with Dinesh. Dinesh, original name only. If you want, you can go there and check. Dinesh is there. Hey, Dinesh, how are you, man? I asked first time whenever I went for sweets. Dinesh, what your name like? Dinesh. Then next time onwards, whenever I will go, hey, Dinesh, how are you, man? Like, even some 10 customers are there. He's always going to give the priority to me only. Only what is, I remembered his name. He is feeling that, okay, Ray, Sir is giving very much important to me. Like that feeling, the opposite person is going to get if you call by name. Are you getting the point?